1. Which asteroid disintegrated over Luzon on September 5, 2024? A. 2024 RW1. B. 2024 TX2. C. 2024 X3. D. 2024 GP4. Answer: A. 2024 RW1. The asteroid 2024 RW1 entered Earth's atmosphere and disintegrated over Luzon on September 5, 2024. 2. On September 4, 2024, what did the Supreme Court rule regarding the estate of former President Ferdinand Marcos? A. The estate has ownership rights over the POA property. B. The estate has no ownership rights over a POA property. C. The lease contract with the Philippine Tourism Authority was valid. D. The estate was entitled to a financial compensation. Answer: B. The estate has no ownership rights over a POA property. The Supreme Court ruled that the estate of former President Ferdinand Marcos has no ownership rights over the 57.68-hectare property in POA, Ilocos Norte. 3. What was the significant outcome of the Supreme Court ruling dated November 13, 2023, related to the Marcos estate? A. Affirmed the estate's right to the POA property. B. Declared the 25-year lease contract unconstitutional. C. Ordered a financial settlement for the Marcos family. D. Upheld the lease agreement with the Philippine Tourism Authority. Answer: B. Declared the 25-year lease contract unconstitutional. The Supreme Court declared the 25-year lease contract between Ferdinand Marcos and the Philippine Tourism Authority as unconstitutional. 4. What action did the Quezon City Regional Trial Court take on September 1, 2024, regarding the Dengvaxia controversy? A. Convicted Jeanette Guerin and correspondence. B. Dismissed criminal cases against Jeanette Guerin. C. Imposed fines on the accused. D. Ordered a retrial of the Dengvaxia cases. Answer: B. Dismissed criminal cases against Jeanette Guerin. The Quezon City Regional Trial Court dismissed the criminal cases against Jeanette Guerin and her correspondence, citing insufficient evidence. 5. What significant event occurred in Cameron Sur and Northern Samar from September 2 to 4, 2024? A. State of calamity declared due to a typhoon. B. Major earthquake. C. Historic peace agreement. D. Nationwide transport strike. Answer: A. State of calamity declared due to a typhoon. A state of calamity was declared in Cameron Sur, Naga, and Alan, Northern Samar due to floods caused by Tropical Storm Anteng. 6. What did the Philippines ratify on September 3, 2024? A. The Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. B. The Paris Agreement. C. The UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. D. The Kyoto Protocol. Answer: A. The Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. The Philippines ratified the Labor Inspection Convention, 1947, along with other agreements on September 3, 2024. 7. What happened to dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo on September 3, 2024? A. She was promoted to a new position. B. She was arrested by the Directorate General of Immigration. C. She was granted a pardon. D. She was reinstated as mayor. Answer: B. She was arrested by the Directorate General of Immigration. Dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo was arrested by the Directorate General of Immigration in Tangerang, Indonesia. 8. Which vessel was damaged by being rammed 3 times by a China Coast Guard vessel on August 31, 2024? A. BRP Datu Sandi. B. BRP Teresa Magbanua. C. BRP Bagakay. D. BRP Cape Engano. Answer, B. BRP Teresa Magbanua. The Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Teresa Magbanua was rammed 3 times by a China Coast Guard vessel near Sabina Shoal. 9. What law did President Marcos sign into effect on August 28, 2024? A. Republic Act No. 12019. B. Republic Act No. 12018. C. Republic Act No. 11997. D. Republic Act No. 11996. Answer, A. Republic Act No. 12019. President Marcos signed Republic Act No. 12019, establishing the Loss and Damage Fund Board Act. 10. Which Philippine Coast Guard vessels were damaged on August 19, 2024? A. BRP Bagakay and BRP Cape Engano. B. BRP Datu Sandy and BRP Teresa Magbanua. C. BRP Teresa Magbanua and BRP Cape Engano. D. BRP Datu Sandy and BRP Bagakay. Answer, A. BRP Bagakay and BRP Cape Engano. The vessels BRP Bagakay and BRP Cape Engano were damaged in collisions caused by dangerous maneuvers by the China Coast Guard. 11. What event occurred in Batangas on August 12, 2024? A. State of calamity declared due to African swine fever. B. Major earthquake. C. New law signed by the President. D. Significant transport strike. Answer, A. State of calamity declared due to African swine fever. A state of calamity was declared in Batangas due to outbreaks of African swine fever. 12. Who was suspended by the office of the President on August 12, 2024, for locking down a hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic? A. Abra Vice Governor Joy Bernos. B. Cebu City Mayor Mike Rama. C. Bohol Governor Erico Aristotle Aumentado. D. Davao del Norte Governor Edwin Jubahib. Answer, A. Abra Vice Governor Joy Bernos. Abra Vice Governor Joy Bernos was suspended for unilaterally ordering the lockdown of a hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic. 13. Which news outlet's shutdown order was overturned by the Court of Appeals on August 9, 2024? A. Rappler. B. CNN Philippines. C. GMA News. D. ABS-CBN. Answer, A. Rappler. The Court of Appeals overturned the Securities and Exchange Commission's order to shut down Rappler. 14. What action did President Marcos take regarding the Pogos during his SONA on July 22, 2024? A. Announced a ban on all Pogos. B. Reformed the Pogo regulations. C. Supported the continuation of Pogos. D. Initiated a new Pogo hub. Answer, A. Announced a ban on all Pogos. President Marcos announced a ban on all Pogos during his State of the Nation address, SONA. 15. What significant agreement did the Philippines and Japan sign on July 8, 2024? A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. B. Mutual Defense Pact. C. Economic Partnership Agreement. D. Environmental Protection Agreement. Answer, A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. The Reciprocal Access Agreement allows for the deployment of defense personnel between the two countries for training and operations. 16. What was the reason for the state of calamity declared in Maguindanao del Sur on July 16, 2024? A. Flooding caused by overflowing of the Rio Grande de Mindanao. B. Typhoon damage. C. Volcanic eruption. D. Epidemic outbreak. Answer: A. Flooding caused by overflowing of the Rio Grande de Mindanao. The state of calamity was declared due to floods caused by the overflowing of the Rio Grande de Mindanao. 17. Who was appointed as Secretary of Education following Vice President Sara Duterte's resignation on July 19, 2024? A. Sonny Angara. B. Mike Rama. C. Arthur Yap. D. Erico Aristotle Aumentado. Answer: A. Sonny Angara. Sonny Angara was appointed as the Secretary of Education following Sara Duterte's resignation. 18. What disaster prompted a state of calamity declaration in Cavite City on July 17, 2024? A. Massive fire. B. Typhoon. C. Flooding. D. Earthquake. Answer: A. Massive fire. A massive fire in Cavite City displaced 900 families, prompting the state of calamity declaration. 19. What significant event occurred in the Philippine military on July 10, 2024? A. Reorganization of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. B. Transfer of command in the Philippine Army. C. Appointment of a new Chief of Staff. D. Major military exercise with the United States. Answer: C. Appointment of a new Chief of Staff. General Jose B. Gamboa was appointed as the new Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. 20. What new law was enacted to address climate-related damages on August 28, 2024? A. Republic Act No. 12019. B. Republic Act No. 11995. C. Republic Act No. 11996. D. Republic Act No. 11997. Answer: A. Republic Act No. 12019. Republic Act No. 12019, the Loss and Damage Fund Board Act, was enacted to deal with climate-related damages. 21. What notable incident occurred on August 25, 2024, involving a Philippine vessel? A. Collision with a foreign naval vessel. B. Hijacking by pirates. C. Damage from a water cannon fire by the China Coast Guard. D. Rescuing stranded fishermen. Answer: C. Damage from a water cannon fire by the China Coast Guard. The BRP Datu Sandy was damaged in a collision and water cannon fire by the China Coast Guard. 22. Who was arrested on August 27, 2024, in connection with the 2018 murder of AKO Bicol Party List Representative Rodel Batacabe? A. Carlwin Baldo. B. Jesus Verzosa. C. Apolinario Mabini. D. Andres Bautista. Answer: A. Carlwin Baldo. Carlwin Baldo, the mayor of Daraga, Albay, was arrested for the murder of Rodel Batacabe. 23. What was the main issue of the nationwide transport strike held by Manabila from August 14 to 16, 2024? A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. B. Fuel price hikes. C. Increased taxes on transportation. D. Overregulation of transport services. Answer: A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. The transport strike by Manabila protested the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. 24. What state of emergency was declared in Bawang, La Union on August 16, 2024? A. State of climate emergency. B. State of natural disaster emergency. C. State of economic emergency. D. State of health emergency. Answer: A. State of climate emergency. A state of climate emergency was declared in Bawang, La Union. 25. Which 3 cadets were convicted for the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio on August 16, 2024? A. Philippine Military Academy cadets. B. Philippine National Police officers. C. Philippine Coast Guard members. D. Philippine Army soldiers. Answer: A. Philippine Military Academy cadets. 3 cadets from the Philippine Military Academy were convicted for the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio. 26. What was the primary reason for the state of calamity declared in Capiz and Iloilo from August 8 to 28, 2024? A. Dengue outbreaks. B. Typhoon damage. C. Earthquake. D. Oil spill. Answer: A. Dengue outbreaks. The state of calamity was declared due to outbreaks of dengue in Capiz, Iloilo, Samar, Iloilo City, and Ormoc. 27. Who was indicted by a federal grand jury in the United States on August 8, 2024, related to the 2016 election? A. Andres D. Bautista. B. Apolinario Mabini. C. Ferdinand Marcos Jr. D. Jesus Verzosa. Answer: A. Andres D. Bautista. Former Comelec chair Andres D. Bautista was indicted on charges of taking bribes in connection with the 2016 election. 28. What major decision did the Sandiganbayan make on August 16, 2024, regarding former PNP Director General Jesus Verzosa? A. Acquitted of graft charges. B. Convicted of corruption. C. Ordered to pay damages. D. Suspended from office. Answer: A. Acquitted of graft charges. The Sandiganbayan acquitted former PNP Director General Jesus Verzosa of graft charges related to the purchase of second-hand helicopters. 29. What significant international announcement did the Department of Foreign Affairs make on August 20, 2024? A. Approval of hosting a U.S. immigrant visa processing center for Afghan nationals. B. Signing of a new trade agreement with the EU. C. Expanding diplomatic relations with China. D. Introduction of new visa policies for tourists. Answer: A. Approval of hosting a U.S. immigrant visa processing center for Afghan nationals. Manila approved a U.S. request to temporarily host an immigrant visa processing center for Afghan nationals. 30. Which 2 individuals were detained in Batam, Indonesia, on August 20, 2024, and repatriated to the Philippines? A. Sheila Gua and Cassandra Ong. B. Alice Gua and Joy Bernos. C. Erico Aristotle Aumentado and Andres Bautista. D. Carlwin Baldo and Joy Bernos. Answer: A. Sheila Gua and Cassandra Ong. Sheila Gua and Cassandra Ong were detained and repatriated to the Philippines from Batam, Indonesia. 31. What was the outcome of the August 22, 2024, Ombudsman ruling involving Mando Mayor Jonas Cortez? A. Imposed a 1-year suspension for grave misconduct. B. Ordered a dismissal from office. C. Acquitted of all charges. D. Given a warning without suspension. Answer: A. Imposed a 1-year suspension for grave misconduct. The Ombudsman imposed a 1-year suspension on Mando Mayor Jonas Cortez for grave misconduct. 32. What led to the standoff in Davao City on August 24, 2024? A. Attempt to serve an arrest warrant on Apollo Quiboloy. B. Labor strike at a local factory. C. Dispute over land ownership. D. School protest against education policies. Answer: A. Attempt to serve an arrest warrant on Apollo Quibeloy. The standoff occurred as the police attempted to serve an arrest warrant on Apollo Quibeloy for sexual abuse charges. 33. What incident involving the BRP Datu Sandy occurred on August 25, 2024? A. Collision with a foreign vessel. B. Water cannon fire by the China Coast Guard. C. Mechanical failure. D. Rescue mission for stranded fishermen. Answer: B. Water cannon fire by the China Coast Guard. The BRP Datu Sandy was damaged by water cannon fire from the China Coast Guard. 34. What was declared in Bawang, La Union on August 16, 2024? A. State of climate emergency. B. State of natural disaster emergency. C. State of economic emergency. D. State of health emergency. Answer: A. State of climate emergency. A state of climate emergency was declared in Bawang, La Union. 35. What major ruling was made by the Sandiganbian on August 16, 2024? A. Acquittal of former Zamboanga del Sur Governor Aurora Cerrillos. B. Conviction of a high-profile politician. C. Suspension of a government official. D. Imposition of a new regulation. Answer: A. Acquittal of former Zamboanga del Sur Governor Aurora Cerrillos. The Sandiganbian acquitted former Zamboanga del Sur Governor Aurora Cerrillos of graft charges. 36. What new state of calamity was declared on August 6, 2024? A. In Bataan due to oil spill damage. B. In Batangas due to African swine fever. C. In Capais due to dengue outbreak. D. In Cavite due to flooding. Answer: A. In Bataan due to oil spill damage. A state of calamity was declared in Bataan due to damage caused by the 2024 Manila Bay oil spill. 37. What was the main reason for the state of calamity declared in August 8 to 28, 2024, in Capais and Iloilo? A. Dengue outbreaks. B. Typhoon damage. C. Oil spill. D. Earthquake. Answer: A. Dengue outbreaks. 38. What was the focus of the nationwide transport strike from August 14 to 16, 2024? A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. B. Fuel price hikes. C. Increased taxes on transport. D. Overregulation of transport services. Answer: A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. 39. What incident led to the arrest of Alice Guo on September 3, 2024? A. Illegal immigration. B. Fraud charges. C. Drug trafficking. D. Money laundering. Answer: A. Illegal immigration. Dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo was arrested for illegal immigration by the Directorate General of Immigration. 40. What key international agreement did the Philippines sign on July 8, 2024? A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. B. Mutual Defense Pact. C. Economic Partnership Agreement. D. Environmental Protection Agreement. Answer: A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. The Reciprocal Access Agreement between the Philippines and Japan allows for mutual defense operations. 41. What was the result of the Quezon City Regional Trial Court decision on September 1, 2024? A. Dismissal of Dengvaxia cases against Jeanette Guerin. B. Conviction of Dengvaxia-related cases. C. Approval of Dengvaxia for public use. D. Postponement of Dengvaxia trials. Answer A. Dismissal of Dengvaxia cases against Jeanette Guerin. 42. What significant policy did President Ferdinand Marcos announce in his SONA on July 22, 2024? A. Ban on all pogos. B. New education reforms. C. Expansion of the Build program. D. Increase in social welfare benefits. Answer A. Ban on all pogos. 43. Which city was heavily affected by Tropical Storm Anting in early September 2024? A. Batangas. B. Cavite. C. Naga. D. Iloilo. Answer C. Naga. Tropical Storm Anting caused significant flooding in Naga, leading to a state of calamity. 44. What was the main reason for the August 8 to 28, 2024, state of calamity in Capiz and Iloilo? A. Dengue outbreaks. B. Typhoon damage. C. Oil spill. D. Earthquake. Answer A. Dengue outbreaks. 45. What significant legal action occurred on August 16, 2024, related to the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio? A. Conviction of 3 Philippine Military Academy cadets. B. Dismissal of all charges. C. New regulations imposed on military academies. D. Settlement between the family and the academy. Answer A. Conviction of 3 Philippine Military Academy cadets. 3 cadets from the Philippine Military Academy were convicted for the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio. 46. What was the outcome of the Supreme Court decision on August 28, 2024, regarding the Marcos estate? A. Declared the 25-year lease contract unconstitutional. B. Upheld the lease agreement. C. Ordered a financial settlement for the Marcos family. D. Affirmed the estate's rights to the POA property. Answer A. Declared the 25-year lease contract unconstitutional. The Supreme Court ruled the 25-year lease contract between Ferdinand Marcos and the Philippine Tourism Authority as unconstitutional. 47. Which vessel was rammed by a China Coast Guard ship on August 31, 2024? A. BRP Datu Sandy. B. BRP Teresa Magbanua. C. BRP Bagakay. D. BRP Cape Engano. Answer B. BRP Teresa Magbanua. The BRP Teresa Magbanua was rammed multiple times by a China Coast Guard vessel. 48. What was the primary issue of the nationwide transport strike organized by Manabila in August 2024? A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. B. Fuel price increases. C. Increased taxes. D. Overregulation. Answer A. Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. 49. What did the Philippines ratify on September 3, 2024? A. Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. B. Paris Agreement. C. UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. D. Kyoto Protocol. Answer A. Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. The Philippines ratified the Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. 50. What event occurred in Camarines Sur and Northern Samar from September 2 to 4, 2024? A. State of calamity due to flooding. B. Major earthquake. C. Historic peace agreement. D. Nationwide transport strike. Answer A. State of calamity due to flooding. A state of calamity was declared due to flooding caused by Tropical Storm Enteng. 51. What was the significant decision made by the Supreme Court in January 2024 regarding the Philippine National Bank? A. Upheld the legality of the sale of PNB shares. B. Ordered the reinstatement of the former PNB president. C. Declared the sale of PNB shares unconstitutional. D. Approved the merger of PNB with another bank. Answer: C. Declared the sale of PNB shares unconstitutional. 52. In January 2024, the Department of Education implemented a new policy to address what issue in public schools? A. Increase in teachers' salaries. B. Enhancement of digital learning resources. C. Reduction in classroom sizes. D. Improvement of school facilities. Answer: B. Enhancement of digital learning resources. 53. Which political figure was arrested in January 2024 on charges related to corruption in the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH? A. Mark Villar. B. Rodrigo Duterte. C. Lenny Robredo. D. Manny Pacquiao. Answer: A. Mark Villar. 54. What was the outcome of the Supreme Court ruling regarding the alleged illegal detention case involving a celebrity in January 2024? A. Dismissed the case due to insufficient evidence. B. Ordered the retrial of the case. C. Convicted the respondents. D. Acquitted the respondents. Answer: C. Convicted the respondents. 55. Which law, signed in February 2024, established the framework for the management of the Philippines' natural resources? A. Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System, PENCAS, Act. B. Renewable Energy Act. C. Comprehensive Natural Resource Management Act. D. Environmental Protection Act. Answer: A. Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System, PENCAS, Act. 56. What significant action did President Marcos take concerning the Mindanao Development Authority in February 2024? A. Appointed a new chairperson. B. Dismissed the chairperson. C. Increased the agency's budget. D. Reorganized the agency. Answer: B. Dismissed the chairperson. 57. In March 2024, which city declared a state of calamity due to a water shortage caused by unpaid debts? A. Cagayan de Oro. B. Cebu City. C. Davao City. D. Taguig. Answer: A. Cagayan de Oro. 58. Which legislative body imposed a 90-day preventive suspension on a senior official in March 2024? A. House of Representatives. B. Senate. C. Office of the President. D. Ombudsman. Answer: B. Senate. 59. In April 2024, what law was enacted to provide fixed allowances to public school teachers? A. Cabalicat sa Pagtuturo Act. B. Teachers Welfare Act. C. Educational Support Act. D. Public School Teachers Benefits Act. Answer: A. Cabalicat sa Pagtuturo Act. 60. Which city experienced a state of calamity due to a dengue outbreak in April 2024? A. Iloilo City. B. Manila. C. Cebu City. D. Davao City. Answer: A. Iloilo City. 61. Which controversial figure was convicted in May 2024 for financing terrorism in a case related to a 2016 kidnapping? A. Ominta Ramadou-Moute. B. Nur Miswari. C. Janice Lagunsad. D. Rizalina Natividad. Answer: A. Ominta Ramadou-Moute. 62. What significant environmental action was signed into law by President Marcos in May 2024? A. Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System Act. B. Environmental Protection Act. C. Climate Change Adaptation Act. D. Sustainable Development Act. Answer: A. Philippine Ecosystem and Natural Capital Accounting System Act. 63. Which two municipalities in the Philippines were declared free from the Abu Sayyaf group in June 2024? A. Lantawan and Lamitan. B. Marawi and Zamboanga. C. Jolo and Basilan. D. Davao and Tagum. Answer: A. Lantawan and Lamitan. 64. Which state of emergency was declared in June 2024 due to a volcanic eruption? A. Negros Occidental. B. Cagayan de Oro. C. Davao City. D. Bohol. Answer: A. Negros Occidental. 65. In July 2024, which former government official was convicted in relation to the PDAF scam? A. Constantino Girola. B. Arthur C. Yap. C. Benhur Lai. D. Marina Claret. Answer: A. Constantino Girola. 66. Which Philippine official suspension was extended by the Office of the President in July 2024 due to involvement in illegal activities? A. National Commission of Senior Citizens Chair. B. Secretary of Health. C. Governor of Nueva Ecija. D. Mayor of Cebu City. Answer: A. National Commission of Senior Citizens Chair. 67. What international agreement was signed by the Philippines and Japan in July 2024? A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. B. Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement. C. Security Cooperation Agreement. D. Mutual Defense Pact. Answer: A. Reciprocal Access Agreement. 68. In July 2024, which legislative body in the Philippines declared a state of calamity due to a fire? A. House of Representatives. B. Senate. C. Muntinlupa RTC. D. Pampanga Governor. Answer: D. Pampanga Governor. 69. What was the reason behind the preventive suspension imposed on the mayor of San Simon in July 2024? A. Corruption and administrative abuses. B. Misuse of government funds. C. Violations of environmental regulations. D. Failure to implement health protocols. Answer: A. Corruption and administrative abuses. 70. Which former Philippine official was involved in a case related to the alleged purchase of second-hand helicopters in July 2024? A. Jesus Verzosa. B. Constantino Girola. C. Arthur C. Yap. D. Nur Miswari. Answer: A. Jesus Verzosa. 71. Which incident involving a maritime collision occurred in July 2024, leading to an oil spill? A. MT Terra Nova capsizing. B. MTKR Jason Bradley sinking. C. MV Mirola 1 found abandoned. D. BRP Teresa Magbanua being rammed. Answer: A. MT Terra Nova capsizing. 72. Which major oil spill occurred in August 2024, impacting several municipalities and cities? A. Manila Bay oil spill. B. Bataan oil spill. C. Mindoro oil spill. D. Cebu oil spill. Answer: A. Manila Bay oil spill. 73. What was the outcome of the August 2024 decision by the Court of Appeals regarding Rappler? A. Upheld the closure of Rappler. B. Ordered the reopening of Rappler. C. Cited grave abuse of discretion by SEC. D. Reversed the decision of the Supreme Court. Answer: C. Cited grave abuse of discretion by SEC. 74. What major legislative action did President Marcos take in August 2024 regarding climate-related disasters? A. Signed the Loss and Damage Fund Board Act. B. Enacted the Climate Change Mitigation Act. C. Established the National Climate Fund. D. Created the Disaster Response Agency. Answer: A. Signed the Loss and Damage Fund Board Act. 75. In which area did a state of calamity get declared in August 2024 due to an outbreak of African swine fever? A. Batangas. B. Cavite. C. Iloilo. D. Davao. Answer: A. Batangas. 76. Which Philippine official was suspended in August 2024 for her involvement in an illegal pogo hub? A. Alice Guo. B. Joy Bernos. C. Leonor Briones. D. Rosalinda Bulong. Answer: A. Alice Guo. 77. What action did the Philippine Coast Guard take in response to collisions with Chinese vessels in August 2024? A. Increased patrols in the South China Sea. B. Requested international mediation. C. Repaired damaged vessels. D. Filed a formal complaint with China. Answer: D. Filed a formal complaint with China. 78. What was the reason behind the nationwide transport strike held by Manabila in August 2024? A. Opposition to the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. B. Increase in fuel prices. C. Delay in public transportation schedules. D. Dispute over driver's licenses. Answer: A. Opposition to the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. 79. Which significant case did the Supreme Court rule on regarding the Magsasaka party list in August 2024? A. Declared Arjel Kabatbat as the duly elected representative. B. Ordered a new election for the party list. C. Invalidated the results of the 2022 elections. D. Upheld the previous decision favoring Solomon Villamin Jr. Answer: A. Declared Arjel Kabatbat as the duly elected representative. 80. What significant judicial outcome occurred regarding the Philippine Military Academy in August 2024? A. Conviction of 3 cadets for the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio. B. Acquittal of senior officers involved in hazing. C. Dismissal of all hazing charges. D. Order for the closure of the academy. Answer: A. conviction of 3 cadets for the hazing death of Darwin Dormitorio. 81. Which law did President Marcos sign into law in August 2024 concerning climate-related damages? A. Loss and Damage Fund Board Act. B. Climate Resilience Act. C. Environmental Recovery Act. D. Green Recovery Fund Act. Answer: A. Loss and Damage Fund Board Act. 82. What was the impact of Tropical Storm Yagi in September 2024? A. Flooding in Camarines Sur, Naga, and Allen. B. Severe drought in Luzon. C. Typhoon damage in Mindanao. D. Landslides in Visayas. Answer: A. Flooding in Camarines Sur, Naga, and Allen. 83. What was the significant action taken by the Supreme Court on September 1, 2024, regarding the Dengvaxia controversy? A. Dismissed criminal cases against Jeanette Guerin and correspondents. B. Ordered further investigation into the controversy. C. Upheld the charges against Jeanette Guerin. D. Ordered compensation for Dengvaxia victims. Answer: A. Dismissed criminal cases against Jeanette Guerin and correspondents. 84. What action did the Philippine Coast Guard take in response to the collision involving BRP Bagakay and BRP Cape Engaño on August 19, 2024? A. Increased naval patrols in the South China Sea. B. Conducted a formal investigation. C. Implemented new safety measures. D. Held talks with the China Coast Guard. Answer: B. Conducted a formal investigation. 85. Which notable event involving a maritime dispute occurred on August 31, 2024? A. BRP Teresa Magbanua was rammed by a China Coast Guard vessel. B. BRP Datu Sandy was seized by Chinese forces. C. BRP Andres Bonifacio was damaged in a collision. D. BRP Apolinario Mabini was attacked by pirates. Answer: A. BRP Teresa Magbanua was rammed by a China Coast Guard vessel. 86. Which current event from September 3, 2024, involved the ratification of international agreements by the Philippines? A. Labor Inspection Convention, 1947. B. Convention on Mutual Administrative Assistance in Tax Matters. C. International Fund for Agricultural Development Office Agreement. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 87. What was the outcome of the Supreme Court's ruling regarding the lease contract in POA, Ilocos Norte, on September 4, 2024? A. Declared the lease contract unconstitutional. B. Validated the lease contract. C. Ordered a new lease agreement. D. Suspended the lease contract. Answer: A. Declared the lease contract unconstitutional. 88. Which prominent political figure was arrested on September 3, 2024, for fleeing to Indonesia amidst a Senate inquiry? A. Alice Guo. B. Joy Bernos. C. Maria Clara Lobregat. D. Janet Lynn Napoles. Answer: A. Alice Guo. 89. What significant natural disaster occurred in September 2024 that led to multiple casualties and damage in the Philippines? A. Tropical Storm Yagi. B. Typhoon Igay. C. Earthquake in Luzon. D. Volcanic eruption in Mindanao. Answer: A. Tropical Storm Yagi. 90. In which city did a standoff involving the Kingdom of Jesus Christ occur on August 24, 2024? A. Davao City. B. Cebu City. C. Manila. D. Quezon City. Answer: A. Davao City. 91. Which agency imposed a one-year suspension on Mandos City's mayor in August 2024? A. The Ombudsman. B. The Supreme Court. C. The Department of Interior and Local Government. D. The Commission on Audit. Answer: A. The Ombudsman. 92. Which event involved the detention of Sheila Gua and Cassandra Ong in August 2024? A. Repatriation from Indonesia. B. Arrest in the Philippines. C. Extradition to the United States. D. Seizure of assets. Answer: A. Repatriation from Indonesia. 93. Which former Philippine official was cleared of graft charges in August 2024 related to the purchase of medical equipment? A. Aurora Sorrills. B. Jesus Verzosa. C. Constantino Girola. D. Arthur C. Yap. Answer: A. Aurora Sorrills. 94. What major development occurred on August 8, 2024, concerning the news outlet Rappler? A. Overturned the SEC's closure order. B. Declared bankrupt. C. Reopened under new management. D. Ceased operations permanently. Answer: A. Overturned the SEC's closure order. 95. Which administrative action was taken against Abra Vice Governor Joy Bernos in August 2024? A. 18-month suspension. B. Dismissal from office. C. Impeachment. D. Fine. Answer: A. 18-month suspension. 96. Which significant legal decision was made by the Sandiganbayan regarding Jesus Verzosa in August 2024? A. Acquitted of graft charges. B. Convicted of embezzlement. C. Sentenced to imprisonment. D. Ordered to return assets. Answer: A. Acquitted of graft charges. 97. In August 2024, which areas were declared under a state of calamity due to dengue outbreaks? A. Capais, Iloilo, Samar, Iloilo City, Ormoc. B. Manila, Quezon City, Cebu. C. Davao, Baguio, Taguig. D. Zamboanga, Cagayan de Oro, Tarlac. Answer: A. Capais, Iloilo, Samar, Iloilo City, Ormoc. 98. What was the reason for the state of calamity declared in Batangas on August 12, 2024? A. African swine fever outbreak. B. Flooding. C. Landslide. D. Volcanic eruption. Answer: A. African swine fever outbreak. 99. Which significant action was taken by President Marcos concerning the Mountain Province State Polytechnic College in August 2024? A. Converted it into a state university. B. Closed the institution. C. Merged it with another university. D. Reorganized the college's administration. Answer: A. Converted it into a state university. 100. Which government official was suspended by the Ombudsman in January 2024 for administrative abuse? A. Mayor of Cebu City. B. Governor of Nueva Ecija. C. Secretary of Health. D. Secretary of Education. Answer A. Mayor of Cebu City.